Welcome to Generac Product Support. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to take if your portable Generac generator will not start. These steps include checking and adding the correct fuel, adjusting the fuel valve, checking and filling the oil, checking the spark plug connection, and setting the choke. The most common reason why a generator won't start is due to old or stale fuel. If fuel has been stored in it for more than 30 days without fuel stabilizer, or more than 6 months with fuel stabilizer, the carburetor may need to be cleaned by a certified servicing dealer. Make sure to always use fresh, unleaded fuel. Once you've ensured you have clean fuel and a clean carburetor, make sure there's at least a quarter tank of fuel to start your generator. After you've checked the fuel level, set the fuel valve to the on position. Partially closing the fuel valve will not conserve fuel. It will only cause the engine to run improperly. Now it's time to check the oil level. First, make sure your unit is on level ground. This will allow the oil sensor to properly determine if there's enough oil for the generator to run. Unscrew the oil cap and properly fill your unit with oil. Next, let's make sure the spark plug wire is attached. If not, reattach it, ensuring it's secure. After checking the spark plug wire, let's set the choke. For a warm, recently run unit, set it to half or no choke. For a cold unit, set it to full choke. Lastly, before you try to start your unit, make sure there are no appliances or extension cords plugged into it. Everything should be unplugged from the unit. Now, let's try to start the unit. If you're starting the engine with the pull cord and it won't rotate, either remove the spark plug to release pressure built up in the engine, or wait approximately 30 minutes for the pressure to dissipate naturally. If you are using the electric start, make sure the battery is charged and connected. For any further maintenance or questions, please contact a certified servicing dealer or call us at 1-888-436-3722. Thanks for watching Generac Product Support.